Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? My name is Beth Carrera and I'm the crazy cat lady. So how's everyone doing tonight? Tonight for Vlogoween, I'm going to make the Joker of 2019 face. So I'm not an artist, a makeup artist. I just wing things. I just have fun. So I'm going to be doing this. I don't have a wig to put on to make it really full effect. But I got these makeups to use. And of course my regular makeup brushes just in case. So I hope everybody's having a great evening. And I just thought this would be a cool, like, Halloween makeup tutorial to do your face for Halloween if you want to be the Joker. So let's get into it. So of course I'm going to use the white. I'm hoping that this is going to be enough white. So let's see if this brush will do the trick. I haven't used... Oh, I don't know. I don't know if this brush is going to do the trick on this. Let's try something else. I might have to use this. Okay. It's a little difficult. It's not, I thought it was more. So I'm going to put my face white. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Oh, I might not have enough white. I might have to go into... I do have a white because I was going to be a zombie girl like last year and I never used it, so I might have to use some of that white. Because this one, it's might not be enough. I don't know. I still might just have enough for this look. Disregard my phone buzzing. I get a lot of robocalls. Does anybody get a lot of robocalls? Because I get a lot of them. And they're all like, some of them are, you know, are kind of scary because they're sitting there saying, oh, if you don't call back, we're going to take legal action and all this stuff. And they're just trying to scam you for some reason or another. It's like I never heard of whatever organization or whatever they're doing. And it's like people, there's too many scammers out there. I'm telling you, it's crazy. I like doing this. Tell me in the comments below if you like me doing these cool makeup tutorials on different things. This is fun. It's creativity, you know? Like, so he has diamonds for eyes with this blue. So I'm going to take the blue and try to make diamonds. Oops. And okay. Now the left side's gonna be a little harder. Oops, I already messed up, too thick. It's a little hard crossing over. Now I'm gonna fill it in. I don't know. I'm just filling it in. Sorry, I don't wanna block your area. He has his eyebrows way up here. So, let me see what I can do to make those. Not too bad. Just want to kind of put them up. Well, okay, that looks pretty cool. So let's, oh, and the nose. I think he had, okay, a red nose. Oh, maybe he had the blue on his lids. Alright, the red nose. I know it's a little sloppy. And then alright. And I do need to put the blue, I think, on the eyelids. I'm not sure. I didn't see the movie at all or anything, so I'm assuming I think it'll look better if it's on the eyelids. Oh yeah, that looks really better. Oh yeah, I like that look better. About that, my it's only allows, I think, 20 to 25 minutes to filming. So thank you all for being here, and subscribe if you haven't already, and put a comment below if you'd like to see any more of these cute tutorials. I mean, even after Halloween, I can try to make a face or whatever. So comment below and tell me if you like these. And I'll see you on the next one. And I love you so much. And see you later. Bye. Happy pre-Halloween.